Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing some multivitamins or some vitamins. These are Natrol's Biotin Beauty vitamins. It supports healthy hair, skin, nails, and those low in biotin. So it's fast dissolve. I like this one because you don't need to swallow it. It's actually really tasty, strawberry flavor, and I just let it dissolve slowly. You can chew it if you want, dietary supplement, and I think it's helped help support my healthy hair, skin, and nails. So here's the supplement facts. I take one daily. All right. So I've been taking these for years now. Just want to show you all what it looks like, a new package. So safety seal. When you open it, there's that seal protection. So gotta pop this off, which is good for safety. Make sure no one's tampered with your pills. Then there's always this cotton ball here. I think it's to prevent the pills from breaking, so I always take it out. I haven't had much issues with these breaking without the cotton. So a little, looks like a desiccant pack. Then I put this back on. Then when I take it daily, I just kind of shake one to the lid, pop it in my mouth. It's really tasty. This strawberry flavor, fast dissolve. Don't need to swallow it. Just let it dissolve. Kind of tastes like candy, but it is supporting my healthy hair, nail, and skin. So I wanted to show you all this. Thanks, everyone. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Have a good day. Bye.